Meet the AI that knows your bank balance better than your spouse and keeps the tax man happy. Let's see if it's brilliant or just another bad idea.
And this is Business Roulette. What we're actually doing is we try to evaluate one business idea each time really quickly. Okay, Matja, how do you do your taxes? I guess you're sitting there somewhere and try to fill in everything in all those forms. Actually, that's a big issue. A computer should know all those laws and regulations. I give them just my bank account and then the machine should figure out what's my tax income thingy and have it done. How about that?
I like the idea. Aren't there any tools out there that do that already? I could imagine it's such a regular problem.
None that I've found or I'm using. So I used two in the last 15 years already, and all they were doing is basically taking all the data from the last year, then I have to recheck them again, then I have to fill in more stuff here. They grab something from out there. But I don't want to do that. So I don't want to do any manual thing. I just want to see a number. If I'm not happy with the number in the end, I can maybe deep dive and figure out why I have to pay that much. So maybe I should do more research, but I'm still wondering why are there still tax advisors who do that for you?
I mean, in the Netherlands, it's already pretty automated just by the tax office, so it must be possible. I guess what my main concern here is how do you, with that tool, get access to your bank accounts or wherever you have income? Yeah, the practical side, but also the trust side of that.
Yeah, okay, the practical side is quite easy. So you give them all the credentials. So like my banking software has all my banking accounts. So I guess that's the easy part.
You give them your credentials. What do you mean?
My login credentials. So I don't know. I use, for instance, Money on a Mac, and it has all my bank accounts in there. So I see like everything like summed up together. So in one big account. Technically, that's the easy part. You can even add all your crypto money, I guess, and yeah, which you probably don't see is all your real estate and stuff that you need to probably enter once manually, I can assume. The trust level, yeah, but that's always killer argument. So either you make it work trustworthy and make it secure and can somehow prove that, or you better don't do it.
Yeah, I don't see why that doesn't exist yet, because it shouldn't be too hard. Law is there, as you say. You don't even need AI for that. Sometimes it's just straightforward, right? You're just gathering information and filling that in.
The AI-powered tax service for freelancers and entrepreneurs shows promise in a large growing market with strong scalability potential once developed. However, significant challenges lie in overcoming established competition, navigating regulatory hurdles, and building user trust. While the complex AI system is technically feasible, it requires substantial upfront investment in expertise, which could impact initial financial viability. If these hurdles are overcome and scale is achieved, the business model offers potential for high margins and efficient automated growth.
Let's have a deep dive. So I'm intrigued by that idea. I mean, it was my idea, but however, I'm intrigued by that idea. Shall we continue and do a deep dive?
Yeah, let's do it.
Nice. And now we are happy that we can pitch your idea, which is probably better than ours. So send it to us and we will kill it or make it happen.